This is Uping stock trend prediction. So 2 days ago, I posted a video that's talk about the real-time stock trend about ABBV stock, and about that day, I already predicted the stock stock price increase at that 2 days ago. So that the price around that time is about $116. So right now today, after 2 days, the stock price is already increased to 118.41. So that's this value, 118.46. So this is the daily chart. The closing price for today is 118.42. So this is the daily chart of ABBV. This is a weekly chart, and this is a monthly chart. So about 2 days ago, when that price is already around this low price region, so using our Uping stock trend prediction model based on the machine learning algorithm and the signal processing technique, I already predicted the stock price will increase. So this is a daily chart. So that means each vertical line is a 1 day's data, 1 day's real-time stock data. So this is today's data, because right now it's nighttime. So this is today's daily chart, daily real-time data. This is the yesterday's data. This is the 2 days ago's data. So around that time, I already predicted the stock price will increase. So you see this one has a big increase. I mean, right now at least has at least $2, or depends on which point you refer to. From this point, 114.42 to 118.41. So it's about $4 increase. So this is a weekly chart, and this is a monthly chart. So we can also check any stocks from any list. For example, this is the SP100. So if we go to Apple, AAPL stock, and so this is the AAPL stock. This is the daily chart. This is the weekly chart, and this is the monthly chart. So you see for the current price, it's basically almost close to the high price region. So right now it's not a good time to buy AAPL Apple stock. So right now we also made a little bit more modification for the trend lines. So right now we displayed the trend line that is more more precise. So it's this kind of a yellow trend line represents the resistance trend line, and this is a blue trend line at the bottom. This blue trend lines that represents the support trend lines. So you can see this kind of trend lines predict the maximum value of the stock price fluctuation, and this blue trend lines predict the minimum value of the stock price changes. So it tracked the minimum value and the maximum value very well. So if you, for example, even for this weekly chart, that's also predicted very well. So you can look at the plots or chart in a larger scale, larger range. So you see this kind of trend lines are also tracked the maximum value and the minimum value very well. So you can see this kind of maximum value is touches the trend lines very well. So you know these trend lines are already generated and predicted even after the first data point has been generated in the real-time scale. So it's a kind of a prediction. Even for this monthly chart, so these trend lines are also predict the minimum value and the maximum value very well. So you can see this kind of minimum value touches these trend lines, almost exactly touches the trend lines. So you see this kind of a maximum value also exactly touches the trend lines. You know, this kind of trend lines are predicted much earlier, almost like after the first data point in the time frame has been shown. So it's a kind of predict the trend in the next time frame. For example, if you select the monthly chart, that will predict the minimum, maximum value and the minimum value in that month. Or if you select the weekly chart, that will predict the maximum value and the minimum value in that week. So, and we also printed out some special dots that represents a very good prediction about the maximum value or the minimum value. So it's a very good indication of the stock trend, price fluctuation. So if you are interested in this kind of videos, so you can either subscribe the Uping stock trend prediction channel, or you can just watch the YouTube channel videos by searching some keywords about the Uping stock trend prediction. Thanks for watching.